Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Is it Christmas time already? In the Johnson household? Yes, it is. I'm going to show you guys how to create this beautiful winter wonderland out of 3 trees. It's so easy to decorate. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you exactly how. We are starting with the first Christmas tree and it was pre-lit. We are going to add 24-inch mesh ribbon. This is a silver sparkly ribbon. I love it. It's beautiful. Lets the light shine through. And we are just going to start at the top and we are going to bunch it into the tree as you go down. I'd say every 2 feet, 1 to 2 feet. And then at the end, you're just going to take some scissors if it's still on the roll and you're going to cut it off. I didn't have enough here, so I had to add some more. And we're just going to cut it here. Next, we are going in with a 24-inch gold mesh ribbon, and we are going to do this on the right side of the tree. So I look at the tree as 4 sides. This is going to be the right side compared to the front middle. We have a back middle and then the left side. And we are just going to do the exact same thing as we did in the middle. We're going to go down and bunch it into the branches all the way down to the bottom of the tree. You're also going to do a 3rd cascading ribbon down on the left side of the tree as well. Super simple. Now we are going in with a 12-inch ribbon and we're just going to go up against the same ribbon we did down the middle and go right next to it and bunch it into the branches. Here we have another 24-inch mesh ribbon. We are going to do it beside the right side ribbon. So I like to do 2 together when you do the cascading down. After you have completed the cascading ribbon down, you're going to go in with a 6-inch ribbon or a 12-inch ribbon. And what we're going to do here is create diagonal movements on the tree. So you're going to go in between the cascading ribbons down. So those 4 places down, front, back, side, you're going to cascade in between to give the tree some movement. Next, we're going to go in with Faux Flowers. I believe I got these from Hobby Lobby. They usually just pop right off this. I love these poinsettias, but you could use any flower you want to go with your Christmas tree or theme. Here we are going in with large Christmas bulb ornaments, different shapes, different textures. For me, the bigger, the better. I just think it makes a big statement and really stands out on a Christmas tree. Now we are adding my favorite part, the tinsel. We're doing silver and gold. We used to use tinsel growing up. My grandmother uses it on her tree. It's nostalgic to me and I think it's so pretty and classy on any Christmas tree. We have added 2 smaller Christmas trees on either side of the big middle one, and I'm just going in with some large bulb ornaments. And we can't forget the tinsel. It really makes the tree shine bright, stand out, and sparkle at Christmas time. Lastly, we can't forget the tree toppers. On the big middle tree, I am putting an antique old angel topper. A lot of times I do bows, but I really wanted to bring back just the classy old nostalgic look. On the sides, I am adding 2 deer antlers, 1 on each small tree. I think these are so cute. And here you have a Christmas tree winter wonderland theme. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have the most wonderful, blessed Christmas. Go enjoy your family and friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.